Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've just sprayed some WD-40 on the 2 dry bolts. There's one there, one under the spark plug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts to remove the head, but you need to remove the head stabiliser first. That is a size 13. And these are 12mm. It says do them in a crisscross fashion to undo them. Okay, I've taken the head off and set it on the bench, and now the cylinder should just lift straight off. It does say it might need a tap, but it says do not use force. So I think a rubber mallet is okay, or a hard leather hammer, or one of those nylon headed hammers. Okay, I've got a hard rubber mallet and I'll still see the cross hatching. You can see the cross hatching all the way through if the light picks it up. It's done 17,000 kilometres.